Hello everyone, my name is Rubik, but on YouTube I'm known as Brojo. Today I'll be making a video about Rubik's Cube patterns, how to do them. They range from easy difficulty to hard difficulty. I hope you enjoyed them and I hope you have some fun watching this video.
The checkerboard pattern. Okay, the steps needed for this pattern are R2, L2, F2, B2, U2 and D2. That is a checkerboard pattern. We'll be moving on to the next pattern, which is... the next pattern is called square in a square. The steps are for the pattern are R, L prime, U, D prime, B, F prime, R, L prime. And that is how you do the checkerboard pattern. Moving on to the next pattern, which is the cube in a cube pattern. The moves for cube in a cube are F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L, B, D prime, B prime, L2, U.
West side.
That was the cube in a cube pattern, and we're moving on to the next pattern, which is the snake pattern. Moves are F2, R prime, B prime, U, R prime, L, F prime, L, F prime, B, D prime, R, B, L2. That was a snake pattern, and that is the last pattern. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed.
Hello everyone, my name is Rubik, but as people on YouTube know me as Brojo. Today I'll be making a video about how to do Rubik's Cube patterns. I will be teaching people how to do the checkerboard pattern, square in a square pattern, cube in a cube pattern, and the snake pattern. Freaking hell, I got that wrong. Oh. Hello everyone, my name is Rubik, but people on YouTube know me as Brojo, and I'll be making a video on how to do Rubik's Cube patterns. I'll be teaching people how to do the checkerboard pattern, square in a square, cube in a cube, and the snake pattern. And I'll be also teaching you how to do these moves if you don't know how to do them already. Yeah, I got it right!